Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live without a mortgage hanging over your head? We're diving into the exciting world of fully paid-off homeownership. It's a place where financial burdens lighten and the chains of monthly payments dissolve. Imagine for a moment the feeling of complete ownership, the relief, the freedom. This isn't just about property. It's about the liberation that comes from financial independence. So let's delve into this journey together. Imagine the possibilities when you are no longer tied by monthly mortgage payments. So, what exactly are the financial benefits of owning a fully paid-off home? Let's dive in and explore this together. Firstly, think about the savings on interest. For most of us, the mortgage is the single largest debt we carry. The interest that accrues on this debt over the years can be staggering. By paying off your home, you eliminate this large source of interest, and that's money directly back in your pocket. Imagine what you could do with that saved money. Perhaps you could take that trip you've always dreamed of, or maybe even start a new business venture. Secondly, consider the increased cash flow. Without a mortgage payment each month, you suddenly find yourself with an influx of disposable income. This can provide a significant boost to your monthly budget, allowing you to live more comfortably, pursue hobbies, or save for future goals. It's like giving yourself a pay raise without having to ask your boss. Then, there's the potential for increased investment opportunities. With a fully paid-off home, you have a valuable asset that you can leverage. You could, for example, rent out your home or a portion of it, turning your property into a source of passive income. Or, you could borrow against the equity in your home to fund investments in other areas, such as the stock market or a small business. Beyond these, having a paid-off home can also provide a buffer against financial shocks. In times of economic uncertainty or personal financial difficulties, having a fully paid-off home can provide a sense of security. Your home is yours, no matter what happens. And let's not forget about the potential tax benefits. In some cases, owning your home outright could reduce your tax liability, leaving more money in your pocket at the end of the year. These are just a few examples of how owning your home outright can positively impact your financial health. So the next time you find yourself questioning whether or not to pay off your mortgage early, remember these benefits. They might just tip the scale in favor of becoming a fully fledged homeowner. Beyond the financial aspect, there's also an undeniable psychological benefit. Owning a fully paid-off home isn't just about being free from mortgage payments. It's also about the profound impact on your mental well-being. You see, it's a milestone that carries with it a sense of accomplishment. It's one of those pivotal moments in life, like graduating from college or landing your dream job. Achieving this milestone creates a sense of pride and fulfillment that's hard to match. It's an affirmation of your hard work, your financial acumen, and your ability to plan for the future. Owning your home outright is a tangible symbol of your success, and each time you walk through the door, you're reminded of what you've achieved. Next, let's talk about stress, or rather, the lack thereof. Financial stress can be overwhelming. It's one of the leading causes of anxiety and sleepless nights. But when you own your home outright, you eliminate a significant source of that stress. With no mortgage hanging over your head, you can sleep a little easier, breathe a little deeper, and live a little freer. The peace of mind that comes with owning your home is priceless. And then there's the increased stability. Owning your home gives you a solid foundation, both literally and figuratively. It provides a sense of permanence and security that renting just can't match. It's your sanctuary, your retreat, and your safe haven. It's the place where you can put down roots, build memories, and plan for the future. It's also worth noting that this sense of stability extends to your community. Homeowners tend to be more invested in their neighborhoods, leading to stronger community ties, better upkeep of properties, and overall, healthier neighborhoods. This sense of belonging and community can further enhance your mental well-being. As you can see, the benefits of a fully paid-off home extend far beyond your bank account. It's about accomplishment, peace of mind, stability, and community. It's about creating a life that's not just financially secure, but also emotionally fulfilling. However, like everything in life, there can be potential drawbacks. Let's take a closer look at some of these and how we can navigate around them. One potential downside to paying off a home early is liquidity issues. When you pour a large chunk of your savings into your home, you may find yourself strapped for cash in case of an emergency. It's like having all your eggs in one basket. However, there's a way around this. By maintaining a solid emergency fund, you can ensure you have a safety net. This fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. So even if you're funneling most of your money into your mortgage, you still have a buffer for unexpected expenses. Another potential drawback is the opportunity cost. By focusing on paying off your mortgage, you might be missing out on other investment opportunities that could potentially yield higher returns. For example, if the interest rate on your mortgage is 4%, but you could earn 7% by investing in the stock market, you're essentially leaving 3% on the table. However, this doesn't mean you should abandon your goal of a fully paid-off home. Instead, consider a balanced approach. Allocate a portion of your income to your mortgage and another to investments. This way, you're not only working towards owning your home outright, but you're also growing your wealth simultaneously. Lastly, paying off your home early could potentially result in a lower credit score. This happens because credit rating agencies like to see a mix of different types of credit, but don't let this deter you. A slight dip in your credit score may be worth the peace of mind that comes with owning your home outright. Plus, there are other ways to maintain a healthy credit score, like using a credit card responsibly or keeping other types of loans in good standing. With the right strategies, these potential downsides can be effectively managed. You can enjoy the benefits of a fully paid-off home while also maintaining financial security and growing your wealth. So don't be discouraged. With careful planning and smart choices, the dream of a fully paid-off home can indeed become your reality. Let's delve deeper into a real-life example to illustrate these benefits. Imagine this. Meet John and Sarah, a couple in their early 40s. They chose to pay off their home early rather than stretching the mortgage payments over the typical 30-year period. John, a software engineer, and Sarah, a school teacher, were both earning decent incomes. However, they chose to live frugally, prioritizing paying off their mortgage over extravagant vacations or luxurious cars. Their decision brought significant financial advantages. With their mortgage fully paid off, they now have an extra $3,000 in their pocket each month, money that was previously tied up in mortgage payments. This freed-up income allows them to invest more, save for their children's education, and even take those dream vacations they had been putting off. The couple also experienced psychological benefits. Owning their home outright gave them a sense of security and stability. They have the peace of mind knowing that their home, their sanctuary, is entirely theirs, no matter what life throws at them. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. They faced challenges along the way. There were times when they had to dip into their savings for unexpected expenses, like when their car broke down or when they had to pay for medical bills. But they didn't let these setbacks deter them. They managed these potential drawbacks by maintaining an emergency fund, separate from their mortgage payoff fund. This provided a safety net, ensuring their home payoff plan was not derailed by life's unexpected turns. John and Sarah's story is not unique. They are just one of the many homeowners who have experienced the immense benefits of a fully paid-off home. Their story exemplifies the financial freedom and peace of mind that comes with owning your home outright, and how potential drawbacks can be managed with careful planning and discipline. Their journey wasn't easy, but they'll tell you it was worth it. They now enjoy a life free from the burden of a monthly mortgage payment, a life where they can allocate their hard-earned money towards their future goals and dreams, a life where they sleep easier at night knowing they own their home outright. This case study clearly shows the true value of a fully paid-off home. So, as John and Sarah's story illustrates, paying off your home early can have profound financial and psychological benefits. It may require sacrifice and discipline, but the rewards make it a worthwhile endeavor. So, is owning your home outright a path to financial freedom? We asked at the beginning. Now, after dissecting the topic in depth, we can confidently say that it sure can be. Let's quickly revisit what we've learned. A fully paid-off home offers substantial financial benefits. It frees up your monthly income, eliminates the risk of foreclosure, and provides a solid asset base. Beyond money, though, it also brings about a profound sense of emotional security and peace of mind, something that's hard to measure in dollars and cents. Of course, we acknowledge some potential drawbacks, like the lack of liquidity and the temptation to neglect other forms of investment. But with effective planning and a balanced approach, these obstacles can be effectively managed. In essence, a fully paid-off home is not just a piece of real estate. It's a cornerstone of financial stability, personal freedom, and emotional well-being. Ultimately, owning your home outright can be a significant step towards achieving financial freedom.